5 reasons bakit ikaw yung babaeng ginugusto lang pero never pinupursue.
Bakit ako mauulol na magparinig sa mga lalaki na bigyan ako ng bulaklak? Kaya ko naman bumili.
I can buy myself flowers. Siya na mismo nagsasabi, hindi kanya kailangan. Bakit mo ipipilit yung sarili mo doon sa ganung tipo ng babae?
Right now, walang naniligaw. Siguro it's because ang hirap lumabas, ang hirap makipag-date. Wala talaga.
You will be pursued kahit kinikonsider mo yung sarili mo na strong independent as long as you have the right attitude to be a partner. Pinurso kita tapos sabi mo sa akin, hindi kita kailangan. Ba't pa ako magpo-pursue?
Because if the woman can provide better than you, men, she can provide more safety and security for herself. What's your purpose?
Yo, what's up? This is Real Talk Darbs back at it again. And today, we're gonna be talking about a topic patungkol sa mga babaeng ginugusto lang pero hindi pinupursue. In this generation, women empowerment is already established, and because of this, hindi na ba talaga uso ang panliligaw? Bakit palagi ka lang ginugusto pero hindi ka ginujowa? Or meron lang talagang mga babaeng hindi ka pursue? And of course, what are the things that we may be able to learn from this kind of situation? Let's find out. Masarap talaga ang feeling na magustuhan ka. Yung tipong mapapangiti ka lang out of nowhere kasi at some point, may tao palang nakaka-appreciate ng existence mo. May taong nagustuhan yung kung ano ka as a person. Maaaring it's because of your physicality or your personality. Or maybe both. Sana all, di ba? Gustuhin. But today, pag-uusapan natin ang mga girls na lagi lang ginugusto pero never pinursue. Yung hanggang like lang pero hindi kayang mag-level up sa love. Yung tipong mapapatanong ka na lang sa universe ng, mahirap ba akong mahalin? Mahirap ba akong intindihin? Mahirap ba akong bilihan? Ito yung feeling that you know to yourself that you're capable to love. Na okay ka naman as a partner o kasama. Pero still, hindi mo alam bakit hindi ka niya pinipursue. Maraming factors kung bakit hindi pinipursue ang isang babae despite na gusto siya ng lalaki. Reason number 1, takot silang ma-reject. Madalas, people hesitate to pursue someone only because they're really scared to be rejected o takot mabasted. Maybe they see you as a person na super independent or alpha. Kaya nai-intimidate sila sa'yo that leads to a decision na wag ka na lang i-pursue. Mas okay sa kanila na wag na lang umamin at wag kang i-pursue kesa ma-reject. Pangalawa, wala silang confidence. Karamihan kasi sa mga lalaki, mahilig maglaro, yung taguan ng feelings. Madalas din, torpe, tulad niya. Walang lakas ng loob or confidence na i-push yung nararamdaman niya sa'yo. Maybe that person think na they are not attractive enough. And these men think that they're not interesting enough sa mga taong gusto nila, and that's the reason why they're holding their feelings back sa pag-amin. Reason number 3, baka ikaw ang malabo. Baka naman kasi sobrang uncertain pala ng dating ng pagpapahiwatig mo sa kanya. And because of this, feeling niya baka hindi ka looking or ready na pumasok sa isang relationship. Na baka naghihintay lang din siya ng clear signal from you. Pang-4, malay mo, busy lang. Maybe the reason kung bakit hindi ka pinipursu ni boy, baka hindi niya pa priority yung relasyon. Baka busy pa siya sa work or pagbibuild ng career niya. Or baka busy pa siya sa ibang nililigawan niya. Joke. Kidding aside, baka may iba siyang commitment at that particular time na baka hindi niya kayang pagsabay-sabayin. And reason number 5, kasi baka hindi talaga siya para sa'yo. Sabi nga, if it's for you, then it's for you. And what you have missed was not yours. At lagi mong tatandaan that there will never be a wrong time with the right person. You are always more than enough for them. Ang tamang tao na para sa'yo will try harder to win your heart. The point is, huwag ka mag-settle sa less. At hindi mo kabawasan kung bakit hindi ka pinipursue ng mga lalaking dumaan sa buhay mo. It's their loss, not yours. So what are the 3 things that we may be able to learn from this kind of situation? Number 1, overthinking will not empower you over the things that are beyond your control. Magkaibang bagay ang being liked from being pursued. The fact that you were liked means na hindi ka pangit o may something sa'yo na attractive sa ibang tao. It may be physical or emotional or could be both. But remember that being pursued is another thing. Malaking chance na hindi na ito about sa'yo, kundi sa taong hindi ka naman pinupursue kasi this is a decision that would require commitment on their end as well. So, huwag kang mag-overthink masyado. Number 2, rushing never leads to best decisions. Do not rush. Stick to your standards. Never settle for someone who can't pursue you. Tandaan na hindi naman porket sinagot mo na, tapos na ang pursuing. You should be courted every day. Kung gusto niya, he would. Totoo yan, lowering your standards would make you feel bad in the long run. Kaya wag kang magsisettle on less than what you deserve. Number 3, prioritize yourself and your growth. I-pursue mo muna kasi yung sarili mo bago mo hintayin sa ibang lalaki o sa tao. Why not do it to yourself first? Mind you, this would allow you to get to know yourself more. You must love yourself before you love another. By accepting yourself and fully being who you are, yung simpleng presence mo lang can make others happy. Remember that self-care and self-love are not selfish. It only means that you know what you deserve. Real talk. Nagtataka ka ba? Kung sino pa yung hindi naghahanap ng magmamahal sa kanila or jojowain, sila pa yung biglang nagkaka-love life? Exactly. It's because the focus is not about the other person but them. Hinunan nila muna yung sarili nila at nung napununan nila ang sarili ng pagmamahal, that's the time that they could love others with full heart. Ladies, tandaan mo, this is not about if you're wife material or not, kaya hindi ka pinapursue. But being pursued starts with you. So, wag mong tatanggapin ang love na sa tingin mo hindi mo deserve. Huwag mong habulin at huwag na wag mo ding hanapin. Attract. Just enjoy the moment where you are right now and the man will find you. And that's the reason why it's very important to love yourself first. Tandaan mo that you lack nothing. It's just that maybe you're just a work in progress, like every one of us. The heart that is unsatisfied starts kapag nakatingin ka na sa mga bagay na wala ka pa instead sa kung anong meron ka. So learn to enjoy the gift of the present. Remember that great things takes time. Stick to your standards, stay focused on your goals, and trust the process. And be secured that somewhere out there, someone is also doing his part to be deserving of you.
Just 'cause the thought of being vulnerable made me feel less than I am.